Are you looking for delivery app development? If yes, just check how much food delivery app development costs, like the popular food ordering apps, Uber Eats and Grubhub. Enjoying meals from various restaurants without the need to wait at the restaurant itself has become an appealing concept for the app users. If you're considering following this app idea, it's important to acknowledge the multiple factors linked to it and prioritize addressing them. Among these considerations, the cost of the delivery app stands out as particularly important, as it's a primary concern for every business owner. You might wonder what the numerous factors are that influence the cost involved in developing a delivery mobile app. These factors include the tech stack and programming language, app development platform, features and functionality of the app, integration of third-party APIs, back-end or server-side development, and finally the UI/UX designing. Regarding the delivery app, it's important to understand that it should comprise 4 different sections, namely the user panel, the vendor panel, and the admin panel. During the project development phase, mobile app development companies pay close attention to these aspects to ensure the smooth functioning of the app. When it comes to selecting the appropriate solution, you have a range of choices like building a white label delivery app, custom-built delivery app, ready-to-use app that can be tailored to your needs. While white label solutions are budget-friendly, they come with certain limitations. On the contrary, custom-built apps provide exclusivity but entail high costs and time investment in development. Opting for a customizable solution is the advised approach, as it achieves a harmonious balance between cost, development time, and customization. Alternatively, the most efficient and cost-effective option is a ready-to-use food delivery app script, customizable based on pricing plans. An annual plan with essential features might cost approximately $5,000. Various factors affect the overall cost of developing an app, as it depends on the features you are planning to add and the resources required to transform your app idea into a reality. If you are looking to create a top-performing food delivery app, it should cost somewhere around $30,000 to $40,000. The app development agency will charge for the mobile app development for iOS and Android app versions, mobile app design, app testing, and app launch. Remember, the cost estimation is not just about dollars, it's about finding the right solution that aligns with your business goals and growth strategy. If you have any questions or need further assistance in making this crucial decision, feel free to reach out to us through the link below. Thank you for joining us on this journey of exploring delivery app costs. Stay innovative and keep pushing the boundaries of your ideas.